everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Connie. Thanks so much for being here. You all loved my week in my journals video, so we have another one. I'm gonna walk you through all of the journal spreads that I did this week. We have my traveler's notebook, my Paper Republic Grand Voyager, and of course my Hobonichi Weeks. So grab a snack, grab your journal, maybe journal along with me, and let's get started. First up, we have my traveler's notebook. This is one of two that I have. In here, I have my Japan travel insert that I've been working on finishing, so let's get into it. Hello. Today we are going to be working on my Japan travel insert. It's been like a year since I've been to Japan, but the thing is, I still have so much junk that I've collected throughout my travels and I haven't used it up yet. That's what we're gonna do today. I am so determined to finish my travel insert for Japan. Like, look at how many receipts I've collected. I think I kept every single receipt. Here she is. I mean, isn't she so cute? I love how I decorated the cover. This is my Japan insert. Isn't she so adorable? You guys, I went shopping. No one does stationery like Japan. I still have so much stationery left over. Look how cute these stickers are. I need to use. And also, sticky notebook. Are you kidding? It's all like Japan themed. And then I got these Japan themed washi tapes. I like cutting these up and using it as a little sticker. But how cute is that? Insane. And then this is my favorite washi tape I ever gotten. Sushi. Are you kidding? I'm pretty sure I got this at a Daiso. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And then I have so much more. Oh my god, these are stickers I got in Taiwan. Oh, this. I got this matcha themed washi tape in Japan as well. This Miffy washi tape at the Miffy Cafe in, I'm pretty sure this was Kyoto, but correct me if I'm wrong. We're gonna work on a spread. Let me show you what I've been doing in here. I would love to be that girly that keeps up with the junk journal spreads and whatnot while I'm traveling, but honestly, I just did not have time. But I will say I did work on this spread in Japan, and I think I worked on this spread in Japan as well. I don't really remember, but the rest I've been working on at home. But look how cute! This was from the Nintendo Museum. I had so much fun there. We visited the Traveler's Factory. So cute! Just lots of stamps. I think I used every single stamp they had there. But yeah, these are what my spreads are looking like. I just have so much junk that I collected. This was the best foot massage I've ever gotten in my entire life. Mr. Chen, I miss you. You changed my life, truly. This is me and my friends in our little kimonos. This is my favorite spread from this insert. I drew out all of the food that we ate and I did a little watercolor moment. And these are from this washi tape that I cut up and I used as stickers, which I thought was so cool. Obsessed with this spread. I want to do another one like this, but it just took so long. And then we have a few more. Me and my friends. This is Jackie and this is Cynthia. Everyone say hi. This is from the Tobichi store that I got my Hobonichi from. This was my most recent spread that I did. Love the blues in this. I started documenting like activities and things that I did, but now I'm at a place where I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a free-for-all. With whatever scrap that I have. I'm just gonna go for it. I got this at the Miffy Cafe, and this is where I think I got chopsticks from there. And this is the packaging for it. Really want to use this because, I mean, look at that. That's so cute. I printed out some scrap paper and I might do like a yellow, brown, beige theme for this spread. That's what my heart is telling me. too thick. So in that case, I might stamp her. This was from a coffee shop that we went to, and it had my initials, CW, so I kept it. My dilemma is always deciding between which side to paste down, but I think I'm just gonna do this. It's cute. I always end up just hoarding so much scrap and junk that I collect throughout my travels and whatnot, and I always forget to actually do stuff with it. So my goal is to actually use up all the scraps and junk that I have collected. Chopstick packaging. Ooh. Oh, I didn't even realize this opens. Wait, that's fun. Okay, let's see what receipt I should use. Maybe this colored one, because it fits the vibe. This is a coffee shop that I went to when we went to visit Nara Park. I got some coffee beans from there for my brother, and they were so good. He loved it. And we actually ended up getting this apple juice from there, and it was the most delectable, juicy apple juice I have ever had in my entire life. I think about it till this day. I miss it and I want it. This fits the vibe. This is probably my favorite washi tape I've ever gotten. I mean, it's Miffy, and she's so cute. I got this washi tape from Daiso. And suitcases. Now let's add some of these stickers. Alrighty, this is the final spread. This is my Paper Republic Grand Voyager, and this is where my commonplace notebook and my doodle notebook lives. Let's journal. My commonplace journal is where I go to jot down anything and everything, and this week I came across this term called self-authorship, and I thought I would write about it and share it with you all. I came across this TikTok, and it was by this brand Indigo & Co, and it was a part of a series called Asking for a Friend, where strangers ask questions everyone thinks about but nobody talks about. So it was a conversation between this young boy and a much older man. The young boy says, "I don't know how to validate myself. I need it from everyone, from friends, partners, my parents." And the old man goes, "What if the real question isn't about validation? What if it's about identity? When you don't know who you are, you let everyone else decide for you, and then you need them to keep confirming it. You do something well and immediately look around to check if anyone noticed. Not because you don't know you did well, because it doesn't feel real until someone else says so. So the fix isn't love yourself more. That's not a strategy. The real work is deciding what gets to be part of your identity and what doesn't. Your anxiety made you careful? Keep that. It made you spiral? Let that go. You get to choose which parts of your experience become part of who you are. That's self-authorship, and it goes much deeper than self-love. Most advice stops at believing yourself, and that's never been enough. As a people pleaser, as an eldest daughter, as someone who's been constantly on that chase of self-discovery and trying to better define who I am and what my identity is, I relate to this so much. I feel like a lot of my problems boils down to my inability to make decisions confidently and quickly. And I think at the end of the day, decision making is the core skill one needs. And I think it's just a great reminder that finding yourself and defining your identity, it's less of a discovery and it's more of a decision. You have the power to decide what stays and what doesn't, what influences you, what shapes you. That power of a choice is always within you. And I hope you remember that. Happy Sunday. We made it to the end of the week. Finally. It's my favorite time of the week because it's my Hobonichi days. So let's fill her out together. I'm working on a sticker sheet currently, and I got an unlimited membership at a Pilates studio recently, and I've been going so often to the point of me running out of Pilates stickers to use in my Hobonichi. So obviously I have to make my own stickers. That is what I'm doing. Right now, I'm just doing the white background for every single little sticker. I hand drew all of this. Would you guys buy these? Question mark? Let me know. It's my favorite time of the week, Hobonichi Day. So let's set up the week together. I am absolutely obsessed with the spread that I did last week. This is kind of different from the usual aesthetic that I like to go for, which is kind of this vibe. A lot more simple. This is the vibe that I usually go for, but I decided to add a few new elements in my spread, so like stamps and fun little printed washi tape like this that I don't usually go for. So I kind of want to do something similar for this week. Maybe switch up the color scheme just a little bit, do more of a pink and yellow situation. So if you're new to my channel, I use Hobonichi a little differently. I like working on it at the end of every week. So every Sunday, I set up this spread, and it's basically just a time for me to reflect on the week. And it's a very no pressure journaling reflection type system. Oh no! Oopsies. Ignore that. It's just a time for me to reflect on the week. I jot down maybe 2 to 3 sentences on what I did every single day. I habit track. I got gifted these super cute sticker sheets from Kita. It looks like I can just put this in my Hobonichi. Like so. Oh, that is so cute. Are you kidding? I'll put that maybe back here. Wait, that's so cute! I love that so much. I was wondering why it had such a long backing. Anyways, I'm gonna use these two. Just rip it off of the backing like so. This is a little too thick for my liking, so I'm actually going to cut it in half like so. Half-ish. Heel, right there. It's been a while since I've used this washi tape. I used to use this so often. Put it right there. Got this from Daiso and it came in like a Christmas pack of washi tapes. Probably gonna add that right there. This is when I go to my camera roll to try to remember what I did throughout the week. It looks like on Monday I was able to get Olympic tickets, which was very exciting. I ended up getting men's archery finals. After years of battling Ticketmaster and every ticketing website and losing, I was actually able to get tickets for my friends this time around, so I was really happy about that. This was Coachella weekend 1. I unfortunately wasn't there and it killed me, you guys. But I did end up making Justin Bieber themed Coachella nails. Bieberchella nails, if you may. These are the nails. This is supposed to be that rainbow walkway art installation. JB Bedazzled. They're supposed to be earphones, little earbuds, wired earphones. Looks a little suspicious, not gonna lie. And then this is my honeypot section. I just write one sweet thing that happened to me each and every day. This just helps me stay positive, and I highly recommend you all to incorporate this in your guys' planners as well. It's just a great way of incorporating gratitude in your planners. I've been incorporating stamps into my Hobonichi and I've been loving it so much. I got sent these super cute, really well-made, high-quality stamps by King Jim. King Jim, I believe is what it's called, but these are Kori stamps and they're Japanese stamps. These are so well-made. It's crystal. I have some food themed stamps going on here and I might add some. I'm gonna use this little stamp pad. I haven't used this guy. It's so high quality. I'm gonna stamp her in. I don't know if it's the ink, but it separates like this all the time. You know what? It's okay. In this section, I track the weather. I have these weather tracker stickers that I made. On Sunday, it rained. Cloudy this day. It was a pretty cloudy week. I track my mood down here, and I also made these mood tracker stickers. Monday, I was pretty happy. Same for Tuesday. Wait, Saturday I was sad because I was missing Bieberchella, and that was a lot. I also made these Pilates princess stickers. Aren't they so cute? This was my first print of this, and I mean, there's definitely a lot of things I want to adjust, but since I already printed these out, I'm gonna use it. Look how cute! I drew all of these divas out on my iPad, and now I have unlimited Pilates stickers, and I'm really excited about it. I got a Pilates membership, unlimited, so I've been going so often that I ran out of Pilates themed stickers, and I needed some more, so I made some. This is the final spread. What do we think? Right off the bat, I feel like these blues are really sticking out. Not a fan of that, but it's okay. And just like that, that's another week of journaling. Thanks so much for spending time with me and journaling along with me if you did so. Comment a pen emoji if you made it to the end of this video so that I know. Also, let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!